Okay, so we'll be starting a Blitz game now. I'm trying to explain as much as possible from the current game you guys see on the screen. We're gonna play Sicilian. I played the wing Gambit here. The Mangarini delayed wing Gambit here, so we're gonna play d4. Knight f3. I'm developing the pieces. Let me just make a pin. And castles. Pin again, always go for the pin, guys. When you can. Rook to e1, probably that's a good one. Bishop c4. He attacks me again. Bishop d3. Not too many weaknesses there. Okay, do I have to react to this, I wonder? 1, 2. Let me try queen e2. Okay, so far so good. He attacks me. I don't particularly want to take. I guess maybe I'll just retreat to g3. He tries to undermine the protection on the d4. Now I guess, let me see, he wants to take my bishop. But is my bishop that strong though? I'm recording, guys. You gotta wait a second. I'm recording now. Okay. Queen to d3. Fortunately, there is no rook on f1. He really want to trade, doesn't he? Okay, bishop g3. Bishop g3, that's the current position we're having here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Interesting. The rook is being hit now, isn't it? Let's get the rook here. I'm not sure it's the best though, but let's just try it. And we could potentially try this. So they take now, taking. Okay, let's go for the bishop. The bishop on b5 is being attacked. Probably knight f5 previous, then attacking twice on d6. That might be a thing. Okay, so I think I may be able to just do that, right? So now queen is being attacked. And d6 probably, I could take with the rook though. Probably not that bad after all. I think that's interesting. I could attack him again with the pawn. Interesting. Interesting indeed. Let's try this. I'm not sure though. Okay, let's go for the rook being attacked now. I would be happy to having that guy disappearing. Are they going to... Let's try this. I'm going for the f7, frankly, guys. f7 is defended just by the king, and I attack it with the knight currently and the queen on f3. So f7 is being attacked twice. Now he defends. Could I perhaps pressure... but I'm dropping that guy, don't I? Okay, let's give them a bad pawn structure. Bad pawn structure then. Let's take this guy. I don't know if I did anything better here, but anyway. Let's go for this. And... that probably wasn't the best one though. Let's try this. Yeah, that wasn't the best. Moving the king, I'm not sure, but let's try. Let's try this. Okay, let's try this. Preventing the checks that might be coming via g5, but funny. Let's see, let's find out. Attacking him. And going back. Here, maybe some background checks. I'd be happy with the draw if I don't get flagged, that is. If I don't get flagged. Hey, I'm gonna take a draw, guys. I'm gonna take a draw anytime. Let's go back. Happy with the draw, as I just very well said. I don't want to force anything here, just feels a little bit funky. I think I'm gonna... Okay. Running back. Attacking. Again and again. Back. Ah, I could have taken on f6, don't I? Oh, come on, mate. Oh, man. I could have taken on f6, guys. Ah, well, what the heck. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Drop me your comments, guys, if you found this one useful to any extent. Thank you very much, fellas. See you soon.